Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're going to show you how we prepare this papio that our friend the papio man caught the other day, which somehow we missed on video. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake it in our grill. So we're going to slit it up so the juices and the marinade get into the meat. And we're placing it on a bed of kale from our garden. And we're going to sprinkle on some garlic salt, do some in the cavity. And we're doing all this on aluminum foil and we're going to throw it in our grill. Add some black pepper. And all these juices will go onto the vegetables, cook the vegetables. So now we're going to add our secret ingredient, which is Oriental Salad Dressing. So this is the marinade for the fish and the vegetables. And you can use pretty much any salad dressing that you want. This is a take on the mayonnaise for parrotfish or ugu. So we're going to cover this papio with, which is a Trevally, with some bok choy from also from our garden, and we're going to bake this. So we'll have the fish and two vegetables. So we're going to wrap the foil up tight, and we're not going to puncture it. It's going to be sealed real tight. So we're going to fold it all up. So it's going to bake in the juices from the marinade, the fish, and all of that's going to infuse into the vegetables. So be sure you seal it up tight and be sure you don't puncture it for air because all the juices will escape through whatever hole you make. So here's the fire from our grill. So we're burning some avocado wood, and once the coals die down, we're going to throw it on there. Sorry, we didn't get a video of the cooking process, but here it is after, and the reason why is our GoPro overheated. It was so hot. But here it was, and we topped it with some cilantro from our garden and drizzled on some hot peanut oil, and it was so delicious. So you can try this recipe to bake a fish and use your favorite salad dressing. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and aloha.